Hi everyone, in today's video I have this Chinese Bluetooth speaker, and holy fuck how this is showing on camera. Here it's saying blue from Bluetooth, and it's not charged now. As you can see here, I have this connector for the original micro USB connector ripped. I don't know why I have this, if it even have this shit RGB lights and this sheet paper cone. As you can see here, this is a sheet paper. Okay, here you can see it better. It's just a paper, nothing special. But I'm impressed how this looks on camera. Actually, this on camera looks good, and ignore this cable, my phone is not charging. Here I have the volume up and down. Oh my gosh, I really love this screen on this camera. Okay, here I have micro SD and USB and aux and some sheets on it. I don't like it anyway, but yeah. In this video I will just show you how this is going, how this speaker works. And by the way, here I have a fake Twitter, but I think I will don't tear down it in this video, but probably in next videos I will do this, so stay tuned. I'm not sure what I will do now about these videos, but yeah, let me play some music on it. I will use some SoundCloud music. You have it in description for this video. I hope I will don't get copyright on this video. I will start with a reduced volume. Okay, one thing about it is this LED starts lightening down. I don't know how to say it, but the lights are almost turning off. Let me show you. But now it actually looks good. Yeah, yesterday when I tested it, the lights almost completely shuts off when I played music on this shit. So yeah, today apparently we have a better quality. That's good, but still trash sound. Okay, I think this is enough. My ears are bleeding from this. For the sound quality is actually very trash. So yeah, I will do another video with tear down with this shit speaker, and I will find just a better song to play on it with probably another speaker or something.